Thank you for tuning in to Gillen's Financial Services YouTube channel. Today we will explore how to compare Medicare plans on the PlanEnroll website. Come along for the journey. We do not offer every plan available in your area. Currently, we represent 6 organizations which offer 61 products in your area. Please contact Medicare.gov, 1-800-Medicare, or your local state health insurance program SHIP to get information on all your options. Today, we will walk through the steps on how to view plans in the PlanEnroll website. You can start by putting in your zip code. You can select View Plans. If you would like to put in an effective date, you have that option, but it is not necessary. You can select to view plans. Your location, your zip code, it's here. If you need to make a change, you're going to click on the pencil icon. You may change your zip code here. Your county will automatically populate here. Now you have an option if you want to view plans just in your zip code. You have that option. However, you would get in more accurate information if you select to put in your doctors, your pharmacy, and your prescription. So you're going to select your pharmacy, click on the pencil icon. Your zip code is here. You can select the radius. You can start by typing the name of your pharmacy. And we're just selecting random information, doctors, zip code. If your doctor is in a different zip code, you can always either increase the radius or you can change the zip code. So we're just going to select add doctor. If you need to add additional doctors, you would just click on add another doctor. And you will also start by typing the name. Once you're done, you can click the X. You can add prescriptions here. Click on the pencil icon. And we're just selecting random information. You're going to make sure you put the correct dosage, the quantity, the frequency, how often you get that prescription. Here, this one says the package. If it's one bottle with this particular item is one, we're going to add that prescription. You can add additional prescriptions. Make sure that you're checking the dosage by clicking the down arrow. Also, the number of tablets, the quantity, the frequency, and select Add Prescription. And you will continue. So say, for example, I need to remove the lidocaine. I can click the X to remove that item. Next, I'm going to click where it says Medicaid. And this is just asking if you qualify for Medicaid and Medicare. If you're not sure, you can select yes, no. Or if you're not sure, just select not sure. You're going to save your information. Again, you can change your effective date. So if you're turning 65 in November or the end of October, you would select November. If you're turning 65 in the end of November or in November, you're selecting December. If you're making an update or changing your current plan, you will select January 2024. You can also select the I, which will give you more information about whatever topic. This one just happened to be the effective date. You can filter by company. You can also filter by the type of coverage or the type of network. If you need to make changes, you can also select on the right-hand side one of the options. I'm going to randomly select a few plans. You're allowed to compare up to 3 plans at one time, but you can always change. If you need help making decisions, you can click here, or you can click X to remove it. You're going to compare plans. This will give you a side-by-side comparison. And this is just an overview of the breakdown of cost, coverage for pharmacy. And make sure you're looking at the tiers. Tier 1, Tier 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your doctor's information. Here, it's letting me know that 2 of the plans will not cover my medication, but this particular plan will. But there is a note of the quantity limit. So just be mindful of the notes. Another breakdown: in network max, out of pocket, deductible, office visits, the out of network, plan documents. To view a more detailed plan document, just select view plan or view document, excuse me, and it will give you more details. If you hover over the red letter areas, those are clickable links. So say, for example, this plan is a plan that you are interested in and you would like to enroll at that current time online. You're going to select enroll, and you're going to start by putting in your information, or you can select to talk with me over the phone. And you will fill out your information here: first name, last name, zip code, phone number, email, and you're going to hit submit. And I will return the call. And now, when you start your enrollment, it will take you to the insurance carrier approve enrollment checkout. And then you start with just some basic information here. Thank you for your time. If you found this information helpful, please click like and subscribe.